welcome back to my channel, Ask DeAvila Sadé, with your host, Dr. DeAvila Sadé, LCSW, and I'm back with a new video. If you are new to my channel is all about my Microlocs journey. We got some dog content with my baby Devontae, and also just me exploring Atlanta, all of that. So if you feel like that's something you would be interested in, go ahead and click subscribe. And if you are new to your lock journey or even new to my lock journey, I have an entire playlist right here. I'll link it right here where you can see my entire journey for 4 years of my Microlocs from install day until now. So go ahead and check it out. I am bringing you guys a special series that I'm super excited about. I feel like I haven't been so excited about my Microlocs in a while. Granted, I've had them for years. I have literally showed y'all every up and down that have come with having my Microlocs journey, but I'm super excited about this new marathon that I am about to do with my hair. Today will be day one of me intentionally going on a hair growth journey with my Microlocs. I'm gonna call it my 1 year Microlocs hair growth challenge. Yeah, y'all think about that? That's a good name? Let me know. Over the next 12 months, I plan on documenting my entire journey, my updated wash days, any type of leave-ins that I create, oils that I create, everything I do to intentionally grow my hair over the next year. If you did not watch my last video, I will link it here about my 4-year Microlocs update. I said that I am intentionally going to use methods to grow my hair over the next year because I want to get it to tailbone length by next year because I plan on cutting my hair. And again, no, I do not plan on chopping my hair off. I literally just want a more defined layered look. And of course, I've had some locks break off. So I just want to be very intentional about growing my hair as long as I can in the next year before I go in and get my first haircut. So year 5, I plan on getting a haircut. If you're thinking about starting your lock journey and want to join this growth challenge or just see my progress, then you definitely want to stick around. Why do I want to do a 1-year challenge? I know I just kind of went into that, but the reason is, honestly, I just want to commit to healthy Microlocs and having healthy Microlocs. I truly want to commit to having just healthy hair and encouraging hair growth. I want to be able to track my growth. And I truly just want to share the real process with you all. I get asked so many times about what I use in my hair routine, and now I just feel like this is just an ideal time to share with everyone. And don't worry about it. I'm gonna be transparent with all the ups, the downs, the good, the bad, the learned lessons throughout this entire process. If I had to think about my hopes outside of hoping that my hair will grow to be at tailbone length by this time next year, I just really want to encourage my subscribers that are on their lock journey that you can do it. You can have healthy locks, you can have healthy hair even when you've had setbacks. Let's start with my starting point, okay? Let me take off this. Here we are. My hair is in a chunky braid out right now. In the front, we're looking at, we're looking at right here in the front. In the back, let's find my longest lock. I think that would be my longest lock. Like we're really almost at waist length here. But that's not all my locks. It's like a couple of locks that are that long. I'm trying to get all my locks to that point. Now we see where my locks are falling right now. And I've been natural since, oh Lord. I've been fully natural since 2013. So that is about 12 years now. And I've been locked for 4 of those years. So I have been on a natural hair journey for over a decade now. And back in the day when I was on YouTube or watching YouTube, I used to get so excited watching natural hair content creators, talk about their hair growth and what they were using and the natural products. And I kind of want to get back to that. Like, go and find natural products. I love to make my own rosemary water. So I just really want to have like a healthy journey without using too many like unhealthy products. Honestly, I'm really excited about having a structured plan regarding my intentional year of hair growth. I think I'm also kind of nervous about consistency because we know that consistency is the most important thing to me in a regimen. Having a schedule, being consistent with what you put in your hair to really see the benefits and to see your locks thrive. So consistency can be tough sometimes for me, but hey, we're just gonna document it. I think I might, and I'm not 100% sure yet, that I will want to do like when I first started my Microlocs journey and I was doing like monthly update, like 1 month Microlocs and 2 months Microlocs. Maybe I'll do like a monthly or quarterly lock update to let y'all know how my hair growth journey is going. Let me know which one of y'all think I should do. Secondly, I am gonna give you a sneak peek into some of the products that I do plan on using. So in a past video, you guys know that I was gifted a PR package from Chebe, and they use this powder in their products called Chebe, Chebe. Chebe. I might be pronouncing it wrong, but charge it to my head and not my heart. And I just went ahead and went down an entire rabbit hole on how Chebe has been used by African women to have long hair retention, hair growth properties. Like, this is supposed to be the truth. And y'all know I've been on my edge growth journey since January 2024. So who even knows? Like, I'm still using my Sacred and I'm still gonna be using my Sacred, but I'm just also gonna incorporate the Chebe powder into like my wash day. I have a leave-in recipe. I have an oil recipe. Again, I will share all of those videos. I also plan on making a hair mask with it. Like, I'm just gonna incorporate it. So this is gonna be the true base of my hair growth journey, is incorporating Chebe into it, or Chebe. Y'all know what I mean. My goal is I'm either gonna wash my hair weekly or bi-weekly. Again, consistency is gonna be so important to me. I know I can commit to washing it every 2 weeks, but I truly feel like I want to encourage myself to try to wash my hair weekly. So that will be something that will be new. But again, I will have a detailed wash day and everything and all the products that I'm using. I also plan on moisturizing my locks more frequently. So maybe like every other day, if not every day, every 2 days. So that will be something that I incorporate. I will have a morning routine, a night routine, all the things. So if you want to follow along on my 1 year Microlocs growth journey, then go ahead and subscribe below. Drop down some video ideas that you want to see. I'm going to be doing long form videos, of course, but also short form videos on YouTube as well as TikTok and Instagram. So all of that will be linked below if you want to go ahead and follow. And I'm going to create a whole playlist aside from my Microlocs journey specifically for this year. So everything will be in one playlist. I think what will also be fun is if you guys will share your hair goals over maybe the next year, year and a half. Dropping those below, we can hold each other accountable. I think that would be super fun. Again, no pressure, but if you want to share your hair goals, feel free to comment them below. So that is it. That is the start to my 1 year intentional Microlocs hair growth journey. Thank you guys for tuning in. If you're new to my channel, go ahead and subscribe. Follow me on all my social media platforms, and let's see where my hair is a year from now. Bye, you guys.